In this video, I will teach you how to earn money by watching YouTube videos, which is a new way to earn money online by just viewing videos for free in 2021. How could it be done? We'll find out soon enough. This is how you can earn money by watching YouTube videos. In this video, I will show you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to pay attention to every second of the video because I will drop some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. Like most of the videos I upload, this method is 100% free and you won't be needing any credit cards or online banking accounts to start making money online with this method. It also works worldwide, so no matter where you are watching from right now, you will be able to use this method to generate an income online. But first and foremost, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to everyone. Now let's get into the video. We've all been guilty of binge watching videos on either Netflix, YouTube, or other platforms for hours on end just to pass the time. I got this crazy thought one day, what if there was a way to genuinely make money watching movies online? That way I could sit on my couch, watch TV shows, and have my bills paid all at the same time. So I went online and discovered a way to earn money by watching videos. The best aspect of this method is that it pays through PayPal repeatedly. We're going to make money with this method simply by doing what you're doing right now, watching a YouTube video. So this is how it works. There are a lot of these things called social engagement websites, and there are a lot of them out there, but we're going to use one in particular in this video. And the way it works is that we swap our opinions on YouTube for points. And then we're going to exchange those points for social engagements on other websites where companies really pay us for those engagements. And you might be wondering, why would companies pay for this? Or what exactly is this? So if you have a Facebook post or YouTube video, having more engagement on that post or video informs the algorithm that that specific post or video is very good content, and the algorithm actually distributes it to a larger number of people each time it keeps growing the engagement. That is only one of the numerous reasons why businesses or individuals might want greater engagement on their posts or videos. And if that sounds confusing, do not worry. I'll show you exactly how to do everything step by step, and you can simply follow along with me. So our first website is right here, and it's called AddMeFast.com. So once you're here, you'll simply click try for free immediately. Then all you have to do is enter your email address, a password, click I'm not a robot, and then click sign up. After that, a message will appear informing you that you must go to your email to confirm your account. So all you have to do is go to your inbox and click on the link they sent to you and you're done. So after you've created and confirmed your account, this is what your homepage will look like. And what I enjoy about this website is that they will give you 200 points right away. And as you can see here, there's a lot of interaction you can do, such as Facebook likes, shares, and followers, as well as Instagram likes, TikTok video likes, Twitter tweets, and so on. However, for this strategy to work, we will concentrate on YouTube views. Simply clicking YouTube views will take you to this page. And as you can see, you can watch this video for 60 seconds and gain 16 points, with the majority of them being around this amount. So some would offer 60 seconds for 16 points, and others would offer 150 seconds for 40 points. Then literally all you have to do is click view video and the video will be right here. And as you can see, the timer begins counting down. We'll just have to wait until the timer runs out. And also, if the video you're watching contains advertisements, you may just skip them. And the greatest part is that you don't even have to watch it all the way through. You may go away, take a snack, and do anything you want before returning when the timer expires. Then you'll simply press the submit button. As you can see, it quickly increased to 216 points. I'd recommend doing this until you reach 1000, so you start with 200 and you need to earn 800 to get to 1000 points. Assuming that the videos you watch are 16 points for 60 seconds, divide 800 by 16, that means we have to watch around 50 videos. Thus, if we multiply that by the number of seconds in each video, so 50 videos times 60 seconds, we have 3000 seconds to obtain those 800 points in order to reach the 1000. And 3000 seconds is about 50 minutes, not even an hour. So I ran those calculations because in 50 minutes I'm going to teach you how to make more than employment will pay you for several hours, if not the whole day, in less than an hour, all from the comfort of your own home. So keep a close eye on things. And you definitely don't want to miss the next step because this is the website that will tie everything together and allow you to generate money. But wait, before we get to that website, I'd like to remind you that we have more videos on our channel about how to make money online. The goal of our channel is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos to ensure that all of the methods that we show you work properly. So I'd appreciate it, guys, if you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, also like and comment down below. Now let's carry on with the video. So that website is known as PlayerUp.com. And as with the previous website, you might sign up by clicking right here and then enter your email address. Select no, create your account now, and then click sign up. This will take you to a page where you must enter your name, make a password, input your location, and click I'm not a robot before clicking sign up. It will then take you to this page. You can either click their logo right here or simply return to the forum homepage to begin. This website is a forum website for exchanges and it has nothing to do with gaming, believe me. So if you scroll down to the bottom right here and then click here where it says all other games or marketplaces, we'll be taken to this page. Then all you have to do is click the letter F, then simply pick Facebook. And after you're on Facebook accounts, you need to go to Facebook likes and you're probably wondering how this is going to make me money. Like what's going on? But I guarantee you that it will all make sense in a minute. As an example, you can see right here that you can get 200 Facebook likes for $20. As you can see, the thing with this is that there are a lot of people on here selling a lot of numbers. You can get 1,000 likes for $20, 200 likes for $5, and 2,000 likes for $30 if you look here. And the thing about those is that there are folks selling them for a lot less and a lot more. But the problem with most of those is that a lot of times they don't deliver them or they're simply robots. That is why it is critical that we use AddMeFast because they are all actual people. So let's just say that we're going to make one that looks just like this person and charge $20 for 200 real likes. And to be honest, you could probably sell it for anywhere from $20 to $50. Simply write something like actual people, not bots in the title of your post. And all you have to do to create your listing is make a new one right here. Then you would simply type in the title and proceed as these people do. You could literally go back and click on this person's forum post right here, then see how they accomplished it and copy it. It's a piece of cake. It's so easy to do. To put all of this together, we must return to AddMeFast, so you go ahead and click Add Sites or Page. And that's done automatically for Facebook likes, but you could do it for a variety of other things as well. If you find one that is more profitable, go ahead and try it out. That's perfectly okay. In the meantime, we'll get to the title. The title is only for our information. It was simply to keep track of various ones that we're running, so we could go back and look at them. So you could just write something like 200 Facebook likes for name, and that could be the person's PlayerUp name. And then under the URL, provide the link to their Facebook post or Facebook page. So you'd put that in here. And then for total clicks, you'd turn this on and you'd want 200. So we only need 200 clicks and then you want to accomplish 100 daily clicks if you were doing this for 2 days. Now comes the most crucial part, the cost per click, which is the number of points we'll award for each like. We're going to change that to 5 now. So multiplying 200 points by 5 equals 1,000. That's why I suggested that previously you should start with 1,000 points so you don't have to pay anything from your own pocket. Then all you have to do is click Save Changes and you're done. So depending on how much you sold those likes for on PlayerUp, whether it's $20, $30, $50, that's how much you'll make in 15 minutes. Let's even say an hour. That's more money per hour than you'll make in any entry-level job in the United States, and more than you'll make in most countries in a single day. So that's simply incredible. And I mean, even while it's nice to work from home instead of a job you despise, I get how you feel. And at the end of the day, you're trading your time for money, which no one wants to do their entire life. At least it's how I felt when I was working at my prior job. I despised going there every single day, so I took the effort to figure out how to get compensated without having to exchange any time for it. And I know a lot of people hate the term passive income since it seems so spammy, but in the last 30 days, I've made almost $7,000 almost entirely passively from simple YouTube videos I created a month ago. And the best part is that's only one of my revenue sources. So that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you got good value from this video. So before we go, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, click the like button and comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video.